We will go through 5 challenges we had to solve to build a production-grade multi-agent voice system at Betula. When you call Betula, you're not just speaking to one agent, you're interacting with a multi-agent voice system where multiple voice agents work together. The main agent answers your call, but there are other agents ready to assist when needed. Let us see this in action. Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Betula. Would you like to create an agent today?
Yes, I'd like to set up a personal assistant.
I can certainly help with setting up a personal assistant. Let me transfer you to the agent who can assist you with this. Please hold on for a moment. Transferring your call now.
Good afternoon. Would you like to set up a personal assistant today?
Yes, I'd like to set up a personal assistant.
Great. Let's get started. Could you please tell me your first name?
And the caller sets up a personal assistant in about 4 minutes. At the end of the call,
Your personal assistant has been set up successfully. You can use the service for free during the trial period and no credit card is needed. Is there anything else you need help with?
Yes, could you help me create an appointment scheduling agent as well?
I am forwarding your call to the agent who can help you with creating an appointment scheduling agent. Please stay on the line.
John, can I help you set up an appointment scheduling assistant?
Yes, that'd be great.
A business has already been set up with this number, and I will try to reuse as much information as possible after confirming with you. Can we use the first name John?
Yep,
Can we use the last name Smith?
yep, that's fine.
Would you like the assistant to book appointments for a business or for a person?
Just for the business I talked about, yes.
Can we use the business name John's Real Estate?
Yep, that's perfectly fine.
Can we use the nature of the business as handles properties in the Princeton area?
Yep, all the information can stay the same for the business.
and the caller sets up an appointment scheduling agent in about 2 minutes this time, because the agent reused information.
You should receive a text message shortly with your new business number.
Yes, I have it here. I got the text.
And at any time, if you need help, you can always ask to be transferred to the Betula support agent, which has a human backup to handle exceptions. Now let's get to the challenges we had to solve. The first challenge is response time and execution latency. A voice agent must respond instantly and execute actions quickly to avoid awkward silences. Even a delay of just a few milliseconds can degrade the user experience. To solve this, agents need to be designed lean, avoiding unnecessary bloat and focusing on performing a few tasks exceptionally well. The second challenge is that voice agents are limited by sequential delivery. Unlike text chatbots, they can't present multiple lines at once. This means they must be both concise and precise, striking a balance between being informative, natural, and efficient. Too much detail overwhelms users, while too little can be confusing, or worse, make the agent sound robotic. This is an engineering trade-off that requires careful tuning. Another challenge is ensuring seamless conversation flow across agents. A multi-agent system shouldn't feel like a collection of disconnected agents. It should function as one unified system. Without shared memory, users would have to repeat the same information every time they switch agents, leading to a frustrating experience. To solve this, we designed our system so that all agents are fully connected and share persistent memory. This means key details, like your street address, are automatically shared between agents. Whether you're switching agents within the same call or calling back later, the system remembers past conversations, making interactions feel smooth and natural. Spam calls are already a major problem for humans, and when a voice agent takes over, it inherits that challenge. While agents can afford to be a bit more generous in determining whether a call is spam, there are cases where quick filtering is critical. For example, if an agent is notifying a small business owner about an incoming call, allowing them to estimate when they can respond, the agent must quickly detect spam. If it takes too long, the owner may not have enough time to provide a timely response, defeating the purpose of the notification. Striking the right balance between screening spam and allowing genuine calls through is essential. Another challenge is dropped call recovery. Calls get disconnected all the time due to network issues, dead batteries, or other interruptions. But when the agent reconnects, the caller shouldn't have to start over.
John, sorry.
The agent must remember where the
Last thing I heard
conversation
you
was
say
cut
was,
off
"My
so the
faucet."
user can continue seamlessly without repeating information. Here again, high precision in detecting an incomplete call is critical. You don't want an agent calling back a spam caller who just hung up after realizing they couldn't outsmart the system. So that's a short overview of some of the challenges we faced in building a production-grade multi-agent voice system. From solving latency issues to handling the constraints of sequential speech, ensuring smooth conversation flow across agents, blocking spam, and recovering from dropped calls. You can experience these solutions firsthand by interacting with our agents. Of course, there are still some kinks to be ironed out. Some we can address and others will improve as voice technology itself continues to evolve. We have also solved small but crucial elements that make our voice agents truly production-ready. For instance, our agents are time zone aware, even for locations that straddle multiple time zones. 14 states in the US straddle multiple time zones. Taking account of this is essential for appointment scheduling. Another key capability is natural speech. Agents have to sound human not just in conversation, but also when speaking number sequences, like phone numbers. For example, an agent could say, "You can always reach Betula support at 844-383-2644, without the pauses, or in a more natural way like this, 844-383-2644. Even state-of-the-art speech systems out of the box do not sound natural when speaking phone numbers. And all of this is achieved while safeguarding caller privacy. Our voice system is built for on-the-go professionals. That means it's designed for business owners and professionals who are constantly on the move. They rely on their phone to interact with our agents. We built our system from the ground up with this in mind. A small business owner can use an agent to handle all operations without needing a desktop. For instance, they can call in to set up a voice agent, modify agent behavior, manage subscriptions, and more. For tasks that require textual input, like managing subscriptions, owners can ask their agent to send them a direct link via SMS or email. This keeps everything easily accessible from their phone.